Let's learn how to add multiple TikTok accounts. This is very simple and can be done in just a few steps. If you want to follow all the steps, stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is make sure your TikTok app is updated. You can do this by going to the App Store, and when it opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner. Once you've clicked on that option, type TikTok in the search bar, and when you do that, a page with TikTok will open. If it says open next to the TikTok app, then it is updated. But if it says update, click on that and wait a bit. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When TikTok opens, the next thing you need to do is click on the option located in the bottom right corner. When you click on that option, a page with your profile will open. Once the page with your profile has opened, you need to click on your account name at the top of that page. A page will open with a list of all your accounts. If you want to add a new account, you need to click on the option at the bottom of that page, which is the Add Account option. When you click on that option, a page will open where you have several options to create a new account. If you already have an account and just want to add it, you need to click on the Login button at the bottom of the page. When you click on that, you will have several options for how you want to log in. Choose how you want to log in, and a page will open where you need to fill in your details. Once you've done that, you need to click on the Login button, and that's it. When you click on that, you have successfully done this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.